Look at your hands. These five fingers look very simple, ordinary, something we use every single day without even noticing. But what if I told you आपका हाथ असल में एक incredible complex machine है? A machine that is controlled by your brain, powered by tiny muscle, stabilized by joints, and refined through year of development. Every time you pick up a spoon, write your name, open a bottle, or simply hold a key, आपका ब्रेन मिली सेकेंड्स में डजन ऑफ मसल्स और जॉइंट्स को कोऑर्डिनेट करता है. एंड द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग पार्ट इज़ ये स्किल हमें पैदा होते ही परफेक्ट फॉर्म में नहीं मिलती. इट डेवलप्स, इट इवॉल्व्स, इट चेंजेस फ्रॉम अ बेबीज प्रिमिटिव रिफ्लेक्स टू द प्रिसाइज मूवमेंट ऑफ एन एडल्ट. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Iman Khan, an occupational therapist, and today we are going to explore something we often take completely for granted. First grasp is hook grasp. Imagine you are carrying a very heavy bag and lifting something by its handle. Your thumb is not doing much work. Instead, आपकी 4 fingers flex होती हैं उस object के around, उस object को hold करने के लिए. We call this grasp a hook grasp. The finger curve around the object like 4 little hooks. Simple? Yes, but incredibly useful. The next grasp is power grasp. Now imagine something heavier like a hammer, a tool, a brush, or even something as simple as holding an object firmly in your hand. This is where we enter the world of power grasp. यहाँ हाथ का गोल प्रिसीजन नहीं है, स्टेबिलिटी और फोर्स होता है. ये वो ग्रिप है जो हमें टूल्स को यूज़ करने, हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को होल्ड करने और फोर्स को जनरेट करने में हेल्प करती है. In other words, this is the strength behind the hand. Next grasp is lateral pinch. Human hands don't only need strength, they also need precision. Think about using a key. You place the key between your thumb and the side of your index finger. This is called lateral pinch and key pinch. हम इसे रोज़मर्रा यूज़ करते हैं कीज, कार्ड्स, पेपर्स और छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को मैनिपुलेट करने के लिए. It may seem effortless, but it represents a highly coordinated interaction between the thumb, index finger, joints, and muscles. Now the next grasp is thumb opposition. We are reaching the fascinating features of the human hand. Think about opening a jar, holding a ball, gripping a cup, or manipulating small items. Different shapes require different grasp. जब आपका थंब रोटेट होकर बाकी फिंगर्स के सामने आता है then possibility of the hand dramatically increase. This is what allow us to create powerful and precise grasp patterns. The next grasp is palmar grasp, जिसमें आपकी फिंगर्स ऑब्जेक्ट के अराउंड एडजस्ट होती हैं जबकि थंब स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. Now imagine holding a water bottle. The fingers wrap around its cylindrical surface. This is called cylindrical grasp. And if you are holding a ball, your fingers spread and flex around its curved surface. This is called spherical grasp. यानी जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट की शेप बदलती है हमारी हैंड्स की स्ट्रैटेजीज भी बदल जाती हैं. Our hand does not simply grab, it calculates. Next grasp will be lumbrical grasp. These tiny muscles help coordinate the finger, contribute to controlled grasping and hand positioning. छोटे से मसल्स लेकिन हैंड फंक्शन में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं. इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल रिमाइंडर दैट हैंड फंक्शन इजंट जस्ट अबाउट द बिग मूवमेंट. Sometimes the smallest muscle can create the big difference. The next we have the pinches, and now we reach the absolute peak of precision. The pinch. Imagine picking up a tiny bead, a coin, a piece of a small paper, or a small piece of Lego. You don't use your entire palm, you use the fingertip. One of the most familiar pattern is the 2-point pinch and also called pad-to-pad pinch or pincer grasp. The pad of the thumb meets the pad of the index finger. Then we have the tip-to-tip pinch where the actual fingertip meet. And then the three-point pinch, also known as three-jaw grasp. For example, writing, buttoning, picking up food, using scissors, manipulating small toys. हर जगह fingertip की precision काम कर रही होती है. Where does it all begin? The mature grasp is not something a child simply knows. It developed gradually, and this development tells us something incredible about the relationship between the brain, muscle, and sensory nervous system. So let's go back to the beginning. Palmar fisted grasp. Look at the child holding a crayon. Initially, उसका पूरा हाथ participate करता है. The child may flex the finger, thumb may sit over the fingers, and instead of moving the pencil with isolated finger movements, बच्चा अपनी पूरी arm से movement create करता है. The result, big uncontrolled scribble. बट डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट दो स्क्रिबल्स. यही स्क्रिबलिंग एक्चुअली डेवलपमेंट का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट माइलस्टोन होती है. द चाइल्ड इज़ लर्निंग हाउ टू होल्ड crayons, how to apply pressure, how to move the arm, how to control the object, and most importantly, how their hand interact with the world. Digital pronate grasp. As the child developed, the grasp became more refined. यहाँ फिंगर पेंसिल के अराउंड होती हैं एंड पाम डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग पोजीशन में होता है. The child is beginning to use their finger more, but the movement is still largely driven by the wrist and the forearm. अभी फिंगर आइसोलेशन और रिफाइंड कंट्रोल फुली डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, but the foundation is being built. Then come another important transition. Around the preschool year, we may see such patterns like static tripod or quadruped grasp. Now the child is beginning to use the pad of the finger. In a tripod grasp, the pencil is stabilized between the thumb and the finger. But here's the key word. Static. The finger are not providing all the dynamic movements yet. Instead, writing movement अभी भी wrist और forearm से ही आ सकती है, and that's okay because development take time. And now eventually we reach one of the most mature grasp patterns, the dynamic tripod. The child is now has much greater control of the pencil. The thumb and the index finger are working together. The middle finger provides support, while the little and the ring finger help stabilizing the hand. And most importantly, finger movements became more dynamic, small, controlled, fluid, efficient, and the forearm can rest on the table, while the fingers may provide subtle movements that guided the pencil. ये वो स्टेज होती है जहाँ मूवमेंट्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव होती हैं और कंट्रोल्ड हो सकती हैं through the travel of the brain, through the nervous system into the muscle, and then finally onto the paper. एक सिंपल पेंसिल स्ट्रोक के पीछे इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्स कोऑर्डिनेशन होती है, we have to think about it. As an occupational therapist, there is something I really want parents and teachers to understand. हर बच्चे का पेंसिल ग्रास्प एग्जैक्टली टेक्स्ट बुक जैसा होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. यू मे सी अ चाइल्ड यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रास्प. मे बी इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट डायनेमिक ट्राइपॉड और मे बी द फिंगर्स लुक स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. But our goal should not be make every child hold the pencil exactly the same way. Our goal should be function. Can the child write? Can they hold the pencil? Most importantly, if the grasp is functional, comfortable and efficient, then perfection is not always necessary. Now we need to know when the support is needed. Of course, some children genuinely need support, and that's where the occupational therapy can help. Depending on the child's need, therapists may use tools such as pencil grippers, egg-shaped pencil grippers, writing claws, adaptive writing tools, and targeted fine motor skills. But these tools shouldn't simply be used to force the child fingers into the position. इनका पर्पस बच्चे की मूवमेंट को एक्सप्लोर करना, स्टेबिलिटी इम्प्रूव करना और फंक्शनल राइटिंग को डेवलप करना है. बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड एंड एवरी हैंड इज़ डिफरेंट एंड एवरी चाइल्ड डेवलप डिफरेंटली. The human hand is more than what you think. So the next time you pick up a key, hold a cup, write your name, button your shirt, or pick up something as tiny as the bead, pause for a second और अपने हाथों को देखें because you're not simply moving your finger. Your brain is planning, your nervous system is coordinating, your muscle is contracting, your joints are stabilizing, and your sensory nervous system is constantly giving you a very good feedback. ये सब कुछ milliseconds में हो रहा है. And from the primitive grasp reflex of an infant to the precision pinch of an adult, the human hand tells us a story of the adaptation and incredible neurological control. If you found this video interesting, save this video and share it with the parents, teachers, and therapists who want to understand the child development and fine motor skills better. And if you want to see more evidence-based patriotic OT content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.